This is Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite trades, Tesla, TSLA. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Tesla, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, Tesla's been having a little tough time here. Basically, what it is some of these rental companies are not going to be carrying Teslas anymore, not because people don't want to drive them. It's just to fix them and maintenance-wise over time. They're really, really expensive, and they can't seem to make any money off of that, okay? So we got to see how this all shakes out here. Now, the Cybertruck here, well, they released that here last week, and well, they released 12 trucks, and the prices were a lot higher. Your base models like 69,000, and then it goes up to like say roughly 80,000, and then the top of the line there is 100,000. So this might be more of a conversation piece than it is an actual vehicle, unless they can develop other trucks or anything off of this kind of a platform here. So we got to see how this all shakes out. Now, Tesla was starting to have a pretty good day today, but you can see how she just dropped right back off of here again. You're right here in the zone here, okay? So if you take this level right here, you can see how that support level is holding very, very nice. Now, when it sold down, it held this 21-day here, right there, okay? And then that was an indecision candle, and then today it popped up. It's holding this this key 21-day here, but then it popped up into this level here, which is basically, okay, so you're looking at 246.70. And today's Tesla high was 246.66. So right there is your resistant level on where that is today. Okay, so what it needs to do is you need to hold this key 8 SMA here, 239.61 on the close. If not, you're going to come down to this 50-day at 234.51. And then right below it is here is you have that 232.76. If that is lost here, then we can come down to this candle right here. You're looking at 231.90 is the low here on this candle here. So basically, if that's lost here, then we can come down to this candle right here. Okay, so the low on this is 226.54, and then the high on this candle here is 225.40. So there's a gap right here. There's your gap, okay, and then there's your fill here, and then we have to look at this 200-day here sitting at 224.36. So that would be your downside, okay, if you lost this 50-day and you lost that 21-day here, okay? So basically today what we want to do is see if this can close above the 239.67. Now this was a really good scalping opportunity here because you can see how much it moved here. The low was 233.70 and the top was 246.66. So I got 10 points out of this today here. So that was a really good scalp here. Now, on the upside here, you want to watch this key level right here. That's at 244.44. And then we want to watch at the top of this candle here. That's 246.70. If you can get above here, 252.75. That is going to be your target zone here on the old Tesla. Now, just want to show you something here. Just for down the road here. If you can break up here above that 252 here, there's a gap right here. So when you look at this candle here, you're looking at 280.93 at the top, and then you look at the fill on the bottom here is 289.52. So that would be a nice target here if you can start layering it right on up here, and then obviously your retest here at 299.29 here. But that's a little bit off in the distance there. Basically, what you want to do here is watch this 8 SMA here, okay? You want to watch that 50 and that 21-day here. That was going to be your downside. If that's lost here, watch this gap, watch that fill, and then possibly here, right, this is area 224.36. On the upside, watch this candle right here, 246.70, very, very crucial level here today. Going higher, I should say here, watch this 100-day, and then you got your retest there sitting at 252.75. If it breaks ahead, then we can layer on up, going all the way on up here. Now, here on your weekly chart here, well, you're just kind of sitting right here in the center. It's an inside week here so far here. So had a lot of excitement last week. So you're watching at 237.14 here, and then we have your 21-day at 240.68 here. But you really need to do it. This is just sideways action with some topping tails here. So we got to just see how this all shakes out. But right now, you got yourself a trading range here going right here. Basically, you're let's say 231 here and on the bottom, and then you're 246.70 there on the top here. So we got to see which way she's going to break out. All right, that's what I got for you today. Thanks for watching.